Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a keychain using quilling paper. I am going to use this pink sheet to start with. You are supposed to roll it till the end. Now I am going to put glue over here and stick it. Hold it tight and don't leave it. Take another pink. You can see that I have extra. If you have extra glue on your quilling paper, you can use it to stick the next layer. I'm going to use gray for the next coat. Coat. I'm going to use green for the next coat. Again, I'm going to use a green sheet. The next coat. This is the body of it. Allow this to dry for some time. This is ready. I made a similar one which is smaller for the head. Now you're going to stick it. Before that, you will put the ears, eyes and the mouth. For the cat's ears, I'm going to use this sheet, bit and tag and use it. Now I have to first see if it fits. It is perfect for my cats. After you're done, make sure you perfect it over here because cats do not have curved ears like these. Their ears are sharp. Shape a bit of quilling paper like the letter M and stick it to the sides. Now cat's ears are ready. Now for the eyes and ears, I'm going to use this paper. I'm going to use a smaller sheet to make the eyes and mouth. Take a bit of paper and roll it how you do. Make sure it is not too big. And stick it. I'm going to stick one more eye. For the nose, I'm going to do another one. I'm done with the face. So put some glue over here. Stick it on the. Now your cat is ready, but you have to put a tail for it. For the tail, take again a bit of paper and spin it a bit at the back. See, cats don't have straight tails, so you could put like this. While this is drying, let us do the keychain. So you can see there's a hole over here. Just take a bit of paper and put it like this, and as you did, you just have to roll it again. You can see you're supposed to glue again, stick it. Then, as I said, just stick it on top and let it dry for some time. Once it's dried, the keychain is ready to use. Hope you like my channel. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.